Hi, I'm Libby Willems. I'm a singer-songwriter based in West Gippsland. It's wonderful to be here in Traralgon celebrating with the community at the milestone of the opening of the overpass.
We're on our way to Melbourne, riding on the Gippsland Line. We got on at Traralgon, riding on the Gippsland Line.
So I grew up on country music. If you like country music, you're always going to hear train songs and things like The Gambler. The whole story is set on a train. So trains have this amazing place in our imagination. So this song's no different, but I thought something a little more modern, something that's a bit more contemporary for, we don't ride around on steam trains so much anymore. We tap Mikeys and we travel to the city or for work or for school. And so I wanted to reflect some of my experiences in a song that has a country sound.
Riding on the Gippsland Line.
There was some intention around the Gippsland Line song to name the towns one by one from Traralgon through to Pakenham and returning, because we're proud of where we live. We love to hear our town and we know when it's coming up and to shout it out. The song's got a call and answer part to it so that the audience has a job to do.
Warrigal, Druin, Longwarry.
We love to hear our own stories. Humans, no matter where we are, we love to hear stories that connect to us. It also connects me to Gippsland and the value of the train line into Gippsland and how useful that is to our communities. Having seen what's just happened here, this is amazing, and I'm keen to take a trip down and just see the view, see the country from the window of a V-line, just take in Gippsland from another perspective.
Riding on the Gippsland Line.
That was so good. Give yourselves a clap, everyone.